this is the process of going through the 3 stages, which is going to help us like flex our muscles and stuff. The first step is excitation. Excitation is when this action potential, which is going to be these lightning bolts here, they're going to activate the the voltage gated calcium channels, which is going to help the calcium flow through. Okay. They're going to flow through, and it's going to help the acetylcholine attach to these receptors. So now, step 2, which is excitation / contracting / coupling, is so now that we have these up here, the sodium is a positive and it wants to live somewhere negative, so this is too positive for the sodium. So the sodium is going to go down here to the tubercles, and again with the calcium, it again is also positive and it wants to be somewhere negative. So the calcium is going to go down here to our thin filaments, and here we have the troponin and the tropomyosin. So the calcium specifically is going to go to the troponin. So it's going to go on the troponin. Let's pretend it's like that on both sides. So when that happens, that's when our muscle is contracting. So these are going to bind together, and that's when we're flexing. So now when we want our muscles to relax, this enzyme here is going to eat these, going to take these acetylcholines away, and it's almost going to reset everything. So the calciums that we have here are going to go back into the sarcoplasmic reticulum. Now they don't stay like that. This is going to go back to like relaxing. So the tropomyosin is going to go back, and the calcium is going to flow back out of the thin filaments into the sarcoplasm, and so the sodium is going to go back up, because again, these like to be positive, and it's when they're in the same place, it's an abundance of positives, and they don't like that. So this is just going to start the whole process over again, and whenever we want to flex again, it's just going to start all over again.